Do not use Mythos until you've watched this. It's stupid powerful, but it's also stupid expensive. Treat it like the old models, fire off messages all day and you'll hit your limits in minutes. That screen right there, that's everyone's first afternoon with Mythos. Hundreds of dollars gone with almost nothing to show for it. So today I'm going to show you the most efficient way to use Claude Mythos. How to get the absolute most out of it while burning the fewest tokens. I've spent thousands of dollars figuring this out so you don't have to. 5 rules, a couple of demos, and 1 bonus habit that saved me more than all of them combined. Let's go. First, is it even worth it? So, is it actually worth the money? Look at the numbers. On real coding tasks, the stuff people get paid for, it beats ChatGPT 78 to 59. That's not a small win, that's a different league. On the hardest reasoning test out there, the one built to break these models, it scores 65 where ChatGPT manages only 52. And on long, complex work, the kind where most models fall apart, it nearly doubles ChatGPT, 80 to 45. Now, is it perfect? No. ChatGPT still edges it on web browsing, and they're basically tied on science and command line stuff. I'm not going to lie to you and say it wins everything, but on the things that actually move the needle, building, reasoning, finishing hard problems, nothing else is close right now. So here's the bottom line. If you just want to mess around, you don't need this. But if you're trying to stay ahead of the competition, if this is how you make your money, then yeah, it's worth paying for. What it's actually for, here's the catch, and it's where most people get it wrong. Worth paying for does not mean use it for everything. Mythos is a specialist. It's the model you bring in for the single hardest thing on your plate, not for the easy stuff, and knowing the difference is the whole game. Here's what a real Mythos job looks like. The bug nobody on your team can crack, the hardest problem, the one that's eaten 3 days, that's for Mythos. A big messy codebase you need reworked without breaking everything, Mythos. A strategy with 100 moving parts where being slightly wrong costs you real money, Mythos. A dense thing you need the sharpest read on, a contract, a financial model, a research paper, Mythos. You see the pattern? High stakes, genuinely hard, where the best answer on earth is worth a lot more than a few cents it costs to ask. Everything else, the captions, the cleanup, the quick rewrites, the easy code, none of that needs your most expensive model. Now, hold that thought, because it becomes rule number 1. Why it's stupid expensive? Now, the money. Let's actually understand it. Because once this clicks, the rules make sense on their own. Quick basics. These models charge by the token. A token is about 3/4 of a word. You pay for what you send in, and you pay for what it sends back. Simple. And here's the kicker with Mythos. The output, what it writes back to you, costs 5 times more than the input. $25 million going in, 125 going out. The model we're talking about is where the bull actually lives. Long answers, big code dumps, thinking out loud, paragraph after paragraph, every word of that is expensive direction. Now the part that nobody understands, these agents resend everything. Every time you fire a message in a long thread, it ships the entire conversation back through the model. The whole history, every single turn, so picture a long session, your chat grows to 100,000 tokens. Now every new message drags all 100,000 back through the model before it even answers you. A fat thread pretty much equals a fat invoice, and it gets more expensive the longer you talk. Here's what that does in real life. Run it on autopilot. Ask it everything, let it write novels back, and a single careless afternoon costs you more than a whole month of a normal model. I've had one session cross $200. And that's not meant to scare you, that's just the math at 125 per million. Okay, so now you know exactly where the money goes. here's how to keep it in your pocket. The efficient way to run it is 5 rules. Number 1, don't use it for everything. This is the big one, and it saves you the most by a mile. Mythos is the hardest 10% of what you do. We just covered that. Everything else goes to a cheaper, faster model. Here's the move in practice. You've got a project, the drafts, the formatting, the simple edits, the boilerplate code. Send all of that to a cheap model. Then you bring Mythos in only for the one hard part that needs firepower. Think of it like a law firm. You don't put the senior partner on filing paperwork. You put them on the case that matters. Same idea. The right tool for the right job. You've already cut your ball more than the other 4 rules put together. Number 2, watch the output, not the input. Remember, output costs 5 times more. So the fastest way to shrink a bill is to make the model talk less. Simple. Tell it to be brief every time. Say, just the answer, no preamble. Say, give me the code, skip the explanation. Say, 1 paragraph, not 5. Most people let the model write 2 pages where they needed 2 lines. Those extra pages aren't just annoying to read. You are paying for every single word of them at the most expensive rate there is. Trim the output. You cut a task cost by most of it without losing a single thing you actually needed. Number 3, keep your context slim. This is the resend problem we just talked about, and the fix is simple. Don't pile everything into one endless thread. New problem, new chat. That way, you're not paying to resend a week of unrelated conversation on every message. When a session gets long, and that task is done, clear it and start fresh. Your wallet feels it instantly. And if your tool supports prompt caching, turn it on. Caching lets the model reuse the same chunk of context instead of rereading it from scratch every time. And it can cut the cost of that repeated context by most of it. That's free savings. And most people never flip the switch. Number 4, make it plan, not grind. This one's a mindset shift. Use Mythos for the 30 seconds of genius, not the hour of typing. Have it design the approach, write the spec, map out the fix, the thinking part, where its brain actually earns the price. Then, take that plan and hand the grunt work to a cheaper model to execute. The boring build, the repetitive code, the typing nobody needs a genius for. You're paying for the brain. You are not paying it to type. That split alone can take a job that would have cost you $20 down to a couple of bucks with the same quality exactly where it counts. Number 5, never put it on a tight loop. Do not set this thing running every few minutes on a timer. I know it's tempting. An agent quietly working in the background forever sounds like the dream. Right up until you wake up to a bill that makes you physically ill. A loop every 5 minutes is 12 times an hour, 280 times a day. At Mythos prices, that's how most people lose hundreds of dollars while they sleep. If you're going to automate it, run it once a day on the one job that's genuinely worth it, not on the hamster wheel. And the bonus habit that saved me the most after rule 1, get it right the first time. Most of the money people waste isn't one big mistake. It's asking the same thing 8 times because the first answer was almost right. So before you fire a hard prompt, do this. Dump everything the model needs in one go. The full context, the goal, the constraints, what a good answer actually looks like. Then ask once properly. Even better, make it write out its own instructions. Tell it, based on everything I just gave you, what's the best way to ask me this? Let the smartest model on earth design the perfect prompt, then run that. You get a better answer in one shot instead of paying for 10 rounds of almost. One good prompt beats 10 lazy ones, and it costs a tenth as much. Do all of this, and you get the most powerful model on earth working for you at a price that doesn't end the month in regret. So, let's lock it in. Mythos for the hard stuff, cheap models for the rest. Short answers, short context, plan, Don't grind. No loops. And nail the prompt the first time. If you use it like a normal chatbot, it will humble your bank account. I promise you that. Use it like this, and it's the best money you'll spend all year. The most capable AI ever made. Pointed at your hardest problems for a price you can actually control. If you want all of this without taking notes, comment Mythos and I'll send you the one-page cheat sheet. The pricing, the 5 rules, the bonus, and exactly which model to use for which job. Free. And subscribe, because the day the public version is fully live, I'm doing a real teardown of everything it can actually do. You will not want to miss that. My name is Mark Sean Brown, and you're watching the AI Bureau. Have a look at our other videos up here in the corner, and you'll be sure to learn a lot more about AI each and every single day. See you in the next one.